Bowman here from BWOne, and while checking out all the exciting cool new tech here at CES 2018, I was invited by Alibaba.com, who is sponsoring this video, to learn more about them here at the show. Really excited for this, so one of the first things I wanted to learn from Alibaba.com is what brings them here to CES. I got the chance to speak with one of the general managers of Alibaba.com, asking him more about their purpose here at CES.
We kind of extend the functionality of CES. It's not only the people are meeting each other, seeing all the fancy technologies already developed, but also we encourage people, the entrepreneurs, to come with your incomplete idea. And we can bring all the designers, all the manufacturers to fulfill your dream, your vision.
Speaking of dreams, I took some time to walk around the Design and Source Center here at CES to check out some of the cool products that started out as just a dream for an entrepreneur and then became a reality thanks to the resources that Alibaba.com provides. I also wanted to know more about the experience of working with them and was able to speak with a successful member of Alibaba.com, BWOne, about their experience using the platform and how it's improved their business.
We collaborate with Alibaba over 3 years. In fact, in the past 10 years, we only do the domestic business, but we hope to expand enlarge our business for the global, so that we start from Alibaba from zero. But now the business occupied about over 60% of our business.
With the success of companies like BWOne, it made me wonder, how does Alibaba.com resolve the language barrier between different countries when it comes to global trade? Someone asked the general manager this question, and he told us about the great translation platform that they offer.
The sellers help the buyers and help them to do the business. For example, the translation. So we have a booth in the South Hall. You can try, and we can translate the human voice from Chinese to English, English to Chinese, and we can do it in 16 different language pairs. So imagine that when a supplier updates a product, for example, in English, and now we can translate that immediately to another 16 different languages to cover the 200 different countries. Right.
Interested in knowing more about global trade, I wanted to know from the general manager where he thought the future of global trade would be going.
First of all, the people who is doing global trading is getting younger and younger, right? When I check out there in the booth, and I asked how many of the people is doing global trading born after the 1980s, so about 90%. And all the people you see here do the trading actually love CES, meaning that they love gadgets, they love games, they like to embrace the internet. So all this internet trend that can be applied to business world, actually we can use it to transform the way that we do business every day.
And that is just a small look at what Alibaba.com has to offer. It's been very interesting to learn how the consumer electronics we use every day come to life using platforms such as Alibaba.com, connecting buyers, suppliers, and also that person with that vision of the product and having it come to life. It's very, very cool, and definitely you want to check out all their CES 2018 coverage. We'll put the live stream in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Give this video a like if you liked it, and always remember to live your tech world in high definition.